You are cruising down the highway, you go to press the gas pedal to pass a slow-moving truck, but instead of dropping down a gear and giving you that surge of power, your engine just bogs down and your transmission refuses to budge. Then that check engine light pops on. If you grab your scanner and pull a P073C trouble code, your car is telling you that the automatic transmission is physically stuck in gear 7. Now, modern automatic transmissions are incredibly complex, relying on the transmission control module to constantly monitor vehicle speed, throttle position, and driver input to shift gears seamlessly. When this computer realizes the transmission is stuck in a high gear like 7th, it flags this code to warn you. Do not ignore this and just try to limp the car home at high speeds. If you are stuck in 7th gear and trying to accelerate from a stop, your engine and torque converter are working dangerously hard, generating massive amounts of heat that can literally melt internal components and cost you thousands of dollars. The absolute first thing you need to do before panicking about a total rebuild is check the automatic transmission fluid. Find a flat surface, leave the engine running in park, and pull the dipstick. If the fluid is low, it means you have a leak somewhere that needs to be addressed immediately, because these hydraulic systems need exact pressure to shift. If the fluid smells burnt or looks like dirty mud, that contaminated fluid might be clogging up the tiny passages in the valve body. If the fluid is full and clean, you need to grab a flashlight and inspect the transmission control module and the external wiring harness. A lot of times, especially on Volkswagen and Audi models, the wiring connectors get blasted by road salt and water, causing corrosion that breaks the electrical connection to the shift solenoids. If the wiring looks perfect, you might be dealing with a failed internal shift solenoid or a physically jammed valve body, which means it is time to drop the transmission pan and get your hands dirty.